Hello, Hamish here from mortgagesonline.co.nz with Ron.
Hello.
You got another question for me?
I do. This question today is around...
Do you mind if I take notes, Ron?
Yes, please, because you forget things. Should I be breaking my rates?
Yeah,
That's
okay.
the question.
Yeah.
Okay. So, the question around that would be three questions specifically around it. Is it worth it?
Yeah.
Secondly, what is the actual savings that I'm making?
Yes.
And
yeah.
thirdly, what are the things actually involved in it? Because it seems like a bit of a hassle.
Yeah, and you know what? Yeah, there is a little bit involved. Let's
Yeah.
get through that. So
Okay.
let's nail that. I'm going to go step by step. First of all, let's get stuck into an example.
Okay.
Let's say the example is something like what, Ron?
600k,
Yeah.
fixed at 4.15%,
So 4.15. Yeah.
and in 2 years.
2 years remaining. So another
right.
2 years to go.
Mhm.
Let's say you fixed on a 3-year rate or something. 4.915 remaining. Okay, great. Let's
Do
get
your
stuck
magic.
in. Now, luckily I have prepared something earlier. Right?
Wow.
This is it here.
Wow.
So now, let's go back a step.
Mhm.
Let's say that we're looking at, you want to pay a break fee, you want to get off this,
Okay.
but you suddenly realized that another bank is willing to give you some cash to move over to them, right?
Okay.
So that's a scenario we'll look at. First of all, if you just break 4.15, you're breaking and you're going to a new rate of 3.89,
Yeah.
right? Your savings over the next 2 year mark is going to be about $3,000.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, your break fee from your existing bank might be $3,000. So you're going to need some more oomph.
Mm.
You're not just going to break for the sake of it, unless you really thought rates were going to go down.
That's correct.
Right.
There's no point
No.
if I'm going to lose money.
Yes. So let's bring another bank into it. Let's say another bank is giving you $4,000 to move over to them,
Yeah.
right? So, but if you're switching banks, there's a lawyer's bill involved.
Mm.
That might be about $1,000. So
Mm.
let's take all this into account. So you get an interest savings of $3,000 plus your cash back from the new bank. You get to $7,000. You're paying your break fee, so it drops down to $4,000.
Mm.
Then you pay your lawyer's fee. You come down to still a net savings of $3,000
Yeah.
over 2 years.
So that's based on the interest rate difference.
Yep, and the cashbacks.
Yeah.
You happy with it?
I am actually.
But you still want to know what's involved and stuff, don't you?
Yeah. So we've ticked that off.
Yep.
Okay. I know I'm going to make some money. So the actual savings part is done. Now, what's going to make me actually do it is what's involved in it.
Yeah. Because there's a little bit of work, right? So first of all, of course, bank accounts, right? You're going to have to change your bank account, obviously. So, but the good thing is most banks now offer a switching service.
Okay.
So-
What is that?
So basically what some banks can do is they can actually get the information in terms of automatic payments, direct debits from your current bank and move everything over to your new account.
Okay.
Okay, I bet you didn't know that they do that.
No. So it's like a seamless.
It can be very seamless. Of course, there'll be a little bit of a hassle because you've got EFTPOS cards, new internet banking, right? Plus, there's a lawyer involved, right? And there's a little catch, and I'm going to get into the catch.
Yeah.
But in terms of the lawyer, most good mortgage brokers will, of course, will probably facilitate, organise all the paperwork with the lawyer. Yes, you need to provide pay slips and bank statements, but that might be only, 2-3 hours work,
Yeah.
maybe 5 hours max, right? But what are you getting for that? You're getting $3,000, right?
And I think that's the deciding factor as well, right?
Mm.
Because at the end of it, I'm gonna make $3,000 over 2 years,
Yeah.
right? So.
Now, there's a catch. Let's get into the catch.
Okay.
Okay, because the only thing is, if you change banks, take the $4,000 cash, usually the $4,000 has some conditions. The main condition is if you move again in the next 3 years, and some banks are slightly different, but most banks is if you move again in the next 3 years, you got to pay this back.
Yeah.
You got to pay this $4,000 back to them.
Mm-hmm.
So wherever you're going, you might be there for another 3 years before it's really worthwhile to even consider anywhere else.
Okay.
If you're selling your house soon,
Yeah.
you probably wouldn't bother with this
No.
because you don't want to pay $4,000 back and pay all the lawyer's fee.
And I think you as a broker would be
Yep.
best to advise the clients.
Yeah, so we can actually go through and do your analysis on your own, like a side-by-side comparison.
Yeah.
And your broker or banker, wherever you're going, they should be able to do that for you.
Would that cost me?
No, it
Up
doesn't
until-
cost you anything. I
Yeah.
mean, I can just we do these, and the client says, you know what, I'm only saving $1,000 or $2,000, can't be bothered. Then no charge,
Okay.
right?
So I have a question for you. If I decide, yes, I want to do this,
Yep.
or I haven't decided I want to do that, but I want to explore it.
Yeah.
Okay. If I want to come and talk to you, what is the easiest way? I mean, I want to do this with the least amount of effort. Saying, hey, Hamish, can you check this? What do you need from me?
So basically, if you don't have things like the break fee and stuff,
Yeah.
we'll probably need some authorization to get the break fee from your bank.
Mm.
But ideally, if you have your current rate, what term is remaining, what is your current break fee, that's enough for us to do that calculation, of course.
Okay.
Right? So yeah, a phone call, or we do online appointments as well.
Yeah.
It's pretty easy to work the stuff out, actually.
Okay.
Yeah. But hey, Ron, thank you for asking me that question. You've been
That's absolutely
very
fine.
good, and thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, that's been of some use,
Value.
value.
Yeah. And as usual, if you have any questions, put it on the comment.
Yeah, comments, and if you have any ideas for the next clip,
Yeah.
any,
If you have anything that's sort of like, I would like to know more about it, put it down and we'll see what we can do.
yeah,
All right.
thanks.
Thank you.